kawai naki daw bangi penlong iki bakum kini ki Rynsan kalong ba ngi wat ngi yit ye ki sap ki phong ke bagi Khynnah ki don Nalor ka ba shu late school shu puli ki kot te ki activities ki ba bon ro ngi set penlong ha school ban yo pa dei kini kinong ak kham tam e ha ka play ngi set penlong ki talent search man laus nem kata te kalong man laus nem kan ha ka school week jongi ni set don ki activities ki ba pher ban yit ban wat ya kasap ka phong ka bagi Khynnah ki don mar bada bangi pelong ye kini ki ngi yo ban kem ka tu ka ni ngi yo ban bat ka tu ka ni kini ki Khynnah ki ba I don sam bat umta ndan ni long ki concert pade ni penrung ye ki bat jing shisha bangi long kinu ki activities ki ba he ni persyang hi ban penrung lut ye ki Khynnah baro kan kat baki don ha school ngi le ban penrung namar ba ngi kwa ba baro na ki ken yo benta bat om tang ban suyet iki sap ki phong an re ye ki tu ki ba kham don sap ni la ra ye ki kham sakmat ni penrung ye ki ha ki ple gitu ki we pat de ni wat de ki we ki items sama kata kada ni don sibon ki items ru ha tu ka sngi te ka jing tu ye te ka long kata bat ni I usok ru udon hi tinga ngom begini ki yarap te ye ki Khynnah bakat baginda he da san darang ba apa de ki sno tho ke nya ka potential jo ki hang no bat ki sai le ban yo
Arunachal Pradesh, the largest state of the northeast, also known as the land of the rising sun and the least densely populated state of our country. The traditional dresses of the Arunachal Pradesh includes a shirt called the gale and a trouser called baki for women. For men, while the women wear a wrapped around skirt and a blouse. Now friends, let us travel to the second largest state of the northeast, our gateway to the rest of India, Assam, the land of the mighty Brahmaputra and the very popular Bihu dance. The women's traditional dress include the Mikla Chadar, while men wear dhoti and gamcha. The men, I repeat, of this beautiful state, ladies and gentlemen, they wear the dhoti and the gamcha. We move on to the third largest state of the northeast, ladies and gentlemen, the land of the jewels, also known as the Switzerland of India, Manipur. It is of great pride that its weaving industry is famous all over the world. However, at the same time, I take this opportunity to implore upon you, dear friends, to spare thought for brothers and sisters in Manipur for the pain they have suffered and still suffering to this day. The traditional dress of Manipur includes the panek and the inapi, shawl, and a blouse called kumchin for the women. While the men wear a dhoti or a pejom, a kurta and a pagri or a turban. We're almost halfway of the parade, dear audience, so please help me to welcome the men and women of our beloved state Meghalaya, dressed in their beautiful, vibrant traditional costumes. Meghalaya, the fourth largest state in the Northeast, is well known for its scenic beauty and diverse culture. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, its love for music. So here we have our boys and girls displaying its traditional dresses. The traditional dress of Meghalaya includes that of Khasi, Garu, and Jantya. The Khasi woman wears a dhara and a shawl known as the tamokli. The elderly woman of the tribe wears a jankup, a garment made of woolen cloth. Jantya women own a kirwang and a thosaru. The Garo women, ladies and gentlemen, wear dakmanda and dakshari.
Te hakabaya day biki Khynnah red te pisong thuhi ka hakaba sedang hi te kalong ka ek ba ka basitom tang ba ka wei ka bangayo I haka jingyat jong ki snem ba ki por ngai I ba ki klung benta ki kham kam kloy ya ki gen bane ki tu ki por ar polai po snem men shwa ko por bangidang sedang ban le concert imat ka wei ka day na ki media iman ki Khynnah ki lalong acquainted ba bat ki tu ngai iki kam seluruh ban compare bagi Khynnah ki ba hakis nem kendai po ar hajar kan dia ka jing persang ban penbet ya ki ha ka basnang ta kalong ka basitom hi kan mi hab ya don kambun kata kadang ni se khot iki niki Khynnah school ki jongi ki bala pas ki ba don sap ban hikai ko mi kitu ban yarap lem mi kinong hikai ban penbet penbiang ya kitu ki iki kan tenrai kim dapat simpor pada kata-kata ban compare bagi senam ki bala let kloy ban kem kan
Let's move over to the fifth largest state of our region, friends, and that is Mizoram, which literally means the land of the Mizos or the land of the hill people. This beautiful state of rolling hills, deep gorges, and world famous for its bamboo dance or chero dance has some of the most beautiful traditional dresses of our region. The traditional dress of the Mizos includes that of the women's dress, the bowkut and the chapcharkut one, while the men wear a single long piece of attire. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, is the sixth largest state of the Northeast, the land of many distinct tribes and sub-tribes and famous for its various species of bamboos. Here we present before you all the spectacular traditional dresses of this beautiful state of our country. The Naga women wear a sarong or a wraparound skirt, and the Riko dress is a traditional attire worn by the men in Nagaland. It includes a black kit adorned with cowrie shells. Most Naga women, ladies and gentlemen, wear the Meghalaya, which is commonly worn by all of them in various parts of the state. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, they are looking so lovely, spectacular. Big round of applause for them. The fruit symbol of Nagaland is the pineapple. We're almost coming to the end of this enthralling program, friends. So with a big round of applause, please welcome the boys and girls dressed in traditional costumes of the land of frozen peaks and rivers, the picturesque state of Sikkim. The women of Sikkim wear a kind of sheet worn in sari style called Donkam, a loose blouse called a tago, a belt called numrek, and a cap called taru. The men wear a colorful sheet called khakro, a shirt called yethase, and a cap called shambo. The animal symbol is a bird called the black pheasant. Now, friends, we've come to the last destination of our wonderful journey of exploring the Northeast. The last is the third smallest state in our country, small yet beautiful, the delightful state of Tripura. The traditional dress for men is the dhoti kurta, while women wear a ringnai and a ripa, which is a traditional wraparound dress worn by Tripuri women. The animal symbol of this state is a bird called the green pigeon.
Ketua pada ke program ke item ke bayadai bat ke Jingpule ya kiriam ki baik jongi ki bre ki baik Indonesia North East kalong ka jing perkhat lang pat de jong ki no hikai ki beri in charge ketua ki ong to bakala long sapang ka mariang ti ngin pen iru ya ka riam jong ki beri ja ka di kathan lam mi ni jongi ke ka tim jong ka di arhajar arpusau ka de planet versus plastics taru kalak bat bhai ka jing mut jing perkhat jongi kom ginong hikai Te saban ngila yu iba kata ka play ka ba kila ya le talent search ru kala I biang stang ban supen bha ka to ka ni te kum tang ngila ya rai lang hingi ong to ngin le no da kanu kanu topik ka ban ya dei bat ka ni ka perthai ka mariang jong weekend te de na kata kan ka sami kan ni ka play jong ni menta usnam ka ba ong nurture the nature